Looks very nice. Ups.
Hello YouTube, I will be unboxing and doing a quick review on this Hypergo 1 through 16 scale 4x4 truck. This is the model H16BM and has several colors. I picked up the black one, so right there H16BM actually. Comes with two body colors, green and black. I'm very impressed. There will be clips about me running on the pavement, on the grass, and also on the dirt. So far, we haven't broke anything major, and it has gone through some abuse. I have an 8-year-old son that is playing with this truck and has proven to be durable. Just look how beautiful this truck looks. So this is the black body, and underneath you see a yellow and blue color as well. I prefer the black one. My son prefers the colorful one. Also in the box there are several spare parts, bag of little tools, comes with a nice 3-channel radio. Of course you can do the throttle, steering, and a 3rd channel for the headlamps. On those small bags there are a set of different tools and spare parts, as well as some additional clips, a charger, 2 AA batteries for your controller. This black plastic parts you mounted on the body, a wheelie bar that is very sturdy, 2 batteries. So one comes in this plastic bag, the other one it is inside the truck. Extras CVDs, which I don't think we will ever use. Those are very strong, and some coils. The controller, it is not too big, fits very comfortably in the hand, fits most kids. Has a screw to lock the barrels in place. I'm pretty happy with the controller. You have 2 different stages, which one is 70% power and 100% power, and turn it off. And you also have a 3rd channel for the headlamps. The manual is black and white, has some nice diagrams with exploded wheels. Basic instructions on how to put those parts together. Pretty convenient to have that. And I'll take this truck outside and I'll talk a little bit more about its components, which are very impressive for the price tag. The shocks feels good as well. It's oil filled. It doesn't bounce very easily. Very good. This is such a great RC. The build quality, it really feels good. You have here your brushless motor with a fan, ESC, power on switch. You have here your receiver that has 3 channels, actually 3 channels. You can turn on and off your lighting. So let me get this and show it to you. Right here, if I just press once, it's on. Right here is on. And by pressing this, we got headlamps. The steering feels pretty good. Yeah, out of the box, just really quite an amazing machine. I haven't tested yet. I'll give this to my son. He's 8 years old. Bought it because it feels like this is almost unbreakable. You have all of this metal CRVs. Yeah, overall, for the price, looks like it's gonna be a lot of fun. And then you have the wheelie bar. It comes with 2 different shells. Quite colorful one here. Nice. And of course, you got the black one, which I like better. Most likely my son's gonna like the blue one, but this one looks very nice. Ups, kind of hard to hold and record at the same time. Quite an interesting machine, looks very nice. Alabe. So this clip, my son is driving it for the first time. He's not very experienced with RC cars, but even not having the experience, he was able to drive quite well. And this is running at 70% of the power. It goes quicker than that, and it also allows a 3S battery, which makes it even faster.
Da hora esse carro.
Little guy here. Got some dirt, water. I don't think it's waterproof, but I guarantee it was submerged completely. We're playing out there. Kind of hard to control in the dirt. It's kind of too powerful, especially for my 8-year-old boy. He had a hard time controlling. This big boy, in comparison, handled the track pretty well. So overall, this is a pass for this one. It did some nice jumps, flips, didn't break any single piece. Although I noticed that these little clips are very sensitive and they come off very easily. So I already lost 2, but they gave me spare ones. I'll probably just replace with something better. But overall, pretty cool little guy.
Perdão, Pininho.
Tudo bem, não tem problema, vai. Vira e sobe, vai devagar, depois você acelera mais. Ah, perdeu a direção. Vai sim, acelera mais devagar. So as I said, it's kind of hard to control in the dirt. My son was trying hard to make a jump, but every time it was going up, he lost control. Eventually he was able to make some nice jumps, and even when I controlled the car, I had some hard time doing that too. But that's a nice jump right there. As I said, very durable car. Overall, we are happy.
Vai lá embaixo, pega mais velocidade.
Found something very interesting here. You can actually, after you assemble your car with the wheelie bars and everything, you can actually park the entire thing in its original box. I'm gonna show you how to do that. It fits pretty well in this box. So yeah, it's kind of not a very strong box, but you can easily park this truck here, and it has enough room so you can close. Now once you flip it upside down, you can stick your controller here. Manual, everything, you can put it in there, and there you go. That's a good way to store. Everything fits in here, nice and smooth.